I saw a video of Salma Hayek, and Jennifer Aniston, and Reese Witherspoon getting to know each other a lot better, if you know what I mean. Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm in something called Full Journey. There's Mid Journey, and now there is Full Journey. And Full Journey is a text-to-video creator. Mid Journey creates cool images. This creates pretty wild-looking videos. Now, I'm going to tell you up front here, it's still a work in progress. At the moment, it uses Xeroscope version 3. This is the latest update of the Xeroscope text-to-video model. And you'll see here, for me, I made one that says dog playing on a beach. And I got this. I mean, this isn't perfect, don't get me wrong. There's lots of little, you can see little wobbles and perturbations, so to speak, but you get some pretty good stuff. Also, you'll notice that this is 10 seconds long, so you can run up to a 10-second video. And watch this, I'm gonna turn the volume up a little bit. It even comes with music. I'm gonna hit play, watch this. It even created it with music for you, if that's your thing. You can, of course, take it out in post-production, but it comes with it just in case. And if I just wanted to show you a few other examples, here's one of a beach ball. I'm going to turn the music off just in case. So there's a beach ball on a beach ball that kills. Okay, here's somebody playing the drums if you want to see. Like, this is the drums playing. Again, it's still a little wobbly, and it's still early. A grimy sink. I mean, there's just so many different things. A crying man in a field. So it gets pretty weird pretty quick. Whoa, okay. Pikachu doing some high, walking on a rope. Yeah, okay. Well, I mean, whatever. Lots of crazy stuff. Whatever you want, you can go ahead and create it. That said, I do actually really mean whatever you want. If you want to go into the not suitable for work stuff, or even if gore's your thing because you're strange, it's here. You can. I went in there and I saw a video of Salma Hayek, and Jennifer Aniston, and Reese Witherspoon getting to know each other a lot better, if you know what I mean. It's all in there. If you want to do this and you want to try it out, again, it's totally free. Here is the website you need to go to. I will put a link in the description below. And lastly, if you create a video that you like and you want to use, I mean, check this out. You just go into Discord, and all you got to do is click on this little download button, and it's going to go ahead and download it, and presto, I have the video. But yeah, you can keep the video, and that's really all there is to it, guys. So enjoy this. It's text to video, uses Xeroscope version 3 inside of Full Journey. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.